So here's just a very quick overview of Caroline Girvan app. It's called CGX, Caroline Girvan Experience. So she is like a very popular YouTube fitness influencer. She has a lot of subscribers on her YouTube channel. But now she just released a video. It's just like YouTube sometimes is not enough, and you can have your own platform, and that's why she built an app. So you can just create an account here. It's available on iOS and Android, and basically you just have two types of workouts. So you can just go and assign new workout. So there are programs basically. So there is beginner program, which is like 20 workouts over 6 weeks, and then there is 50 workouts over 10 weeks, more advanced program. So then you can just go here and see like the workouts. You can add them to a calendar. You can read more about what's there. Actually, you can see people who participated. There is quite a big community here. And then to participate in workouts, you need to upgrade. So yeah, you can just go access the programs, download and watch offline. You can play your own music or no music, and then just tap continue. And then here is the upgrade options. Either $100 per year or $13 per month, roughly. And then you have also 14-day free trial. So that's that. And in this app also you have individual workouts, just different tasks, how to do different exercises, meal ideas, just different articles and content. But unfortunately, everything is locked behind this subscription. So basically you can't do anything for free in this app. You can just browse around. You can connect your health statistics from health app. But then, you still need to upgrade in this app. Then there is a community, people are commenting, you can see comments, but it's not possible to follow someone or message someone. This is just like you create your own account, you add some personal info if you wanna, then just like you see your stats, workout history. You can actually also hide your profile to be a private profile. And then if you don't like, you can just delete your account anyway. So yeah, that's about that cool app. If you watched her videos on YouTube or you're a fan, that's definitely check out this app. This fitness app is not that expensive, $100 per year. It's okay price. There are many apps which are much more expensive in this category. And a lot of people like, especially her workouts on YouTube. There is a strong a fan base. So definitely give a try to this app.